In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to connect Cursor AI to Replit using SSH. We'll walk through where to find the SSH option inside your Replit project, how to add a key from your computer, and an important requirement you need to enable connections from editors like Cursor or VS Code. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Replit website. Make sure you're signed in so you can see your workspace. From the main dashboard, go to Projects. This brings up your list of Replit projects. Choose the project you want to connect to from your local editor. Inside the project, look toward the top right for the search icon. Click that to open the quick search. In the search box, type SSH and select the SSH option that appears. This takes you straight to the SSH settings for your project. Here, you'll add an SSH key from your local machine. SSH keys are a secure way to authenticate without typing passwords. They come as a pair, a private key stored safely on your computer, and a public key that you upload to services like Replit. Only the public key should ever be shared. Keep the private key confidential. Click Add SSH key. If you already have an SSH key on your computer, you can reuse the existing public key. If not, open your terminal or command prompt and generate a new SSH key pair using your system's built-in tools. Accept the defaults unless you have a specific reason to change them, and consider setting a passphrase for extra security. When the key pair is created, locate the public key file, which usually ends with .pub. Open that file, copy its entire contents, and paste it into the input field in Replit. Give it a clear label so you recognize which machine it belongs to, then confirm to add it. A quick tip, make sure you paste the public key, not the private key. If you paste the wrong one, it won't work and could compromise your security. If the SSH option doesn't appear in search, refresh the page or double check you're inside the correct project. Finally, to connect to Cursor or VS Code using SSH, your account must have an active Replit Core subscription. SSH access from desktop editors is a core feature. Without Core, you can still code in the browser, but remote connections from Cursor or other editors won't